What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on AMP. Guys, as you can see, it's been dropping in value quite a bit over the last couple of days, so that's what we're going to be going through in today's video. Is it time to buy the dip? Should you wait for it to drop further? So on and so on. Obviously over the last 24 hours it's only dropped 2%, but if you zoom out a little bit you can see over the last week it's been very volatile, up and down, but overall it has slowly and steadily been going in a negative direction. And even on the monthly chart, as you can see, a very steep decline. That's what's been going on. So what we're going to do today is give you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how high and how low can this crypto go, and obviously looking at, should you sell it, should you buy it, or should you just hold on to it, or should you avoid it for those of you who have not invested into this crypto yet. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website at the moment, and we can see that AMP is in the top losers list at the moment. Even though it hasn't dropped that much compared to other cryptos, it is still loser, or one of the losers, let's say. Over the last hour, 0.5%. Over the last day, 2%. Even though we had a little peak here earlier on, very early this morning, it's dropped back down straight away. Over the week, 3% down. Over the month, 22% down. Obviously, most of it was because of the major crypto crash that took place. It went below the 1 cent target, recovered the very next day, or 2 to 3 days later, and then slowly and steadily dropping in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up just about 2% in the last 24 hours, making it $5.3 million, which is still a huge amount of money that is being traded on AMP at the moment. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto at the moment, meaning there is a lot of attention around AMP as well. So on the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And we have also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing AMP at 0.01186. However, it is trading at a slightly lower value at 0.01104, meaning it is not performing too well and much lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart now, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we've got the blue line looking a little bit bullish, going in a positive direction. However, the orange line is literally flat out going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish. It is just going in a straight line. So over the next couple of hours we should expect a very minimal increase in value, because the blue line, even though it is going in a positive direction, is not looking too steep at all. It is just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning the gains are going to be very minimal. So overall, do expect this crypto to gain value, but nothing too crazy. Is going to be very minimal. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got the orange line just about going in a bearish direction, slanting towards the negative direction, and the blue line is looking the opposite side, so it's slanting towards the positive direction. So we literally got one line going negative and one line going positive. So the overall outcome over the coming days, so in this case I'm talking about towards the end of next week, we are more or less going to be fluctuating at the current price range. Even though we are going to be quite volatile in between that time, the overall outcome seems to be neutral. Fluctuating around the current price range is what I'm expecting over the next 7-8 days. Yes, we are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome at this time and moment seems to be neutral. Moving on to the daily chart now, we are finally looking positive, guys. We've got both the line going in the same direction, which is positive. So an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So mid-July to late July we should expect an overall increase in value on AMP. But again, as you can clearly see, the lines are not looking too steep, guys. They are still going in a positive direction, and they are looking much more clear than the previous charts, but it is still not looking as steep as I expected it to be. So that's good in a way, because it means that it's going to go up in value in a slow and steady increase. It's not going to be like the a quick increase one day and then drop the next day. It's going to take its time, but as long as it's moving in a positive direction, that's all that matters. So by the end of July, early August, we should be trading at least at about 2 cents target is what I'm expecting by early August. But if there are any major updates or major news that come across in between that time, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So obviously, we all know Bitcoin has plays a major part in the crypto market. If Bitcoin pumps up in value, you're going to see the whole crypto market pumping up. If you see Bitcoin dumping, you're going to see most cryptos dumping as well. So what I have done, guys, I've made a Telegram group chat a while back where you guys can join for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off, guys. And this offer is only valid for the first 100 members that join the group chat, and over half the spaces have already gone, and after that it will increase to $29.99. So what I do in that group chat, guys, is show you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, give you guys a reason why I'm investing into it, and also give you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin to see what to expect from that specific day or from the crypto market and from Bitcoin in specific, because most cryptos do follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin. So every morning I post my predictions and my takes on Bitcoin and the crypto market, and sometimes even twice a day depending on how volatile the crypto market is. You guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects. As you can see here, it says general chat. So there's going to be 2 group chats that you're going to get put into, all for $14.99. One is just a normal chat, the other one is a general chat where you guys can discuss cryptos as well. And obviously you guys can request for me to put analysis on different cryptocurrencies, which I will also do in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, if you're ready to sign up, then yes, the link is in the description box down below. Anyways, back to AMP. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But as you can clearly see the chart right now, there isn't much I can do. The only reason for that is we are trading in the red zone and we are in the lower part of the red zone, and the last time we were in the red zone was all the way back in April 2021, guys. So ever since then it's been up, pumping up in value, especially here about last June. This time it was worth $12, and right now it's dropped all the way down to the $12 when we're talking about 12 cents, and right now it's dropped all the way down to 1 cent, which is not looking too great. But yeah, it has been dropping quite hard since let's have a look here, since mid-January 2022 is when we first hit the red zone, and we've just gotten worse and worse. But yeah, so far it is not looking too great, but hopefully in the long run we should be able to go back into the green zone, possibly not this year, but early next year, possibly going into the green zone. But again, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on AMP like you guys have requested for, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and especially all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been showing the channel. Before you click off, subscribe to the channel, guys, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. So it'd mean a lot, and it will help me out a lot as well if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.